Hello viewers, this video is about how to upscale an image that have low pixel quality. I have an image that we are using as a demo purpose to upscale the image pixel. We can see here when we zoom this image pixels are scattered and image is not clear. Minimize this image and start the process to upscale the pixel of this image. Open web browser and search in Google search engine Zyro Image Upscaler. We will find multiple search results. Find Zyro official website and click on this result. This interface will allow you to upload an image that you want to upscale. Click here, upload image and select your desired image and press open button. Image is uploading. It's not only uploading but it's also enhance the pixel of your image also. After complete the process, we are downloading upscaled image here. Now we have both images, upscaled image and original image also. Open these images side by side and compare the result of upscaled and original image also. We can see here this is a upscaled image that is a better quality of pixel than original image. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.